Blacktail 4x4, welcome to another one. I am outside Markville Ford here today, and I'm going to be showing you something quite interesting. Before I start, I'm going to introduce my salesman, the one that helped me get my Ford F-150. I'm going to welcome Arkadi.
My name is Arkadi. I'm a salesman here at Markville Ford. Been with Markville for 2 years. This is the 2021 F-150 Lariat, brand new, just came in. This one here is the 502 high-end package. Get the LED lights, get the leather seats, and the seats come heated and ventilated. Get heated steering wheel, get the brand new 12-inch screen. This one here comes with two-tone interior, black and red.
Ooh, nice. All right, guys, so I'm gonna do a walk around of this truck. It should be a lot of fun. As you can see, I've actually purposely parked the 2018 next to it so you can actually see the difference between the lights, the grille, the position of the fog lights, the bumper design. Everything has changed. Between the 2018 and the 2020, there hasn't been much difference. So you're pretty much looking at the latest design before the new design, before the 2021. Now, I'm gonna start off with the bottom and move to the top. As you can notice at the bottom here, we have a brand new bumper compared to the 2018. The fog lights are actually wider, okay? They're not like a small little rectangle that we have on the previous edition. Moving to the grille has drastically changed as well as the lights. The lights kind of remind me of like the Super Duty trucks. They don't wrap as much around the grille as we saw on my 2018 over here, and you do have a camera right below the logo as well. Now we'll move to the side of the vehicle. All right, so moving to the side of the truck over here, we have this new type of functional scoop that goes into the fender. This one actually says Ford F-150 Lariat. The mirrors have actually changed as well. Because this is a Lariat, there is a sensor camera located right below the mirror as well. You have keyless entry as well, and you have a lock button right over here, and that will lock up your truck. Now we'll move to the back of the truck. Okay, so moving to the side back of the truck, the new design of the taillight, slightly bigger than what we have. So you can almost see the 2018 back there. So new design, bigger, brighter, more visibility for the side. You got the sensors at the back as well as on the side of the bumper over here. Now we're gonna go right to the back. We're gonna open up the tailgate. We're gonna look into the flatbed, and I have a feeling we're gonna be seeing some new things back there. So I just approached it. I have my keys in my pocket. I just approached it and the light just turned on. I like that. So I'm gonna open up the tailgate over here. Okay, so this is a Lariat. It comes down on its own. I cannot do this with my truck. As well as this was a push button. With my 2018, I have to actually lift a lever. This truck, interesting, does not have the assist to get in and out of the flatbed. Mine does. For some odd reason, this one doesn't have it. For the 2021, they've made these little inserts on this side and on the left side. This is for clamping. So Ford decided to put these in because a lot of construction workers are using these trucks, and they are using the tailgate here to clamp your wood and then work on it on your tailgate. We have an actual house output. You can put a toaster, you can put a microwave, you can put all your machinery, whatever it is, right in the back here. Now my truck does not have this, but this is really good. So now you can clamp something here, you can plug something in here, and you can start working. This is fantastic. Other than that, we have the LED lights. We have two on either side. I have that on my truck as well. At the back as well, we have the back sliding window. My truck has that. We also have the reverse camera over here. Mine, it was at the bottom, okay? This one is a little higher at the top. I think I've pretty much summed up the back of the truck. We are now gonna move to the interior. All right, so moving into the interior rear end of this truck, I gotta say, I love the panoramic rooftop over here. It's bright, it's open, it's a whole different feeling, my God. So with these seats, you got some extra cup holders. So let's do something fun here. Let's see how many cup holders are at the rear. So we have 2 cup holders here, okay? You have a cup holder on this side of the door, so that's number 3. You have a cup holder on that side of the door. That's cup holder number 4. You have 2 cup holders here in the middle. That's 5 and 6. Just at the back of this truck, you have 6 cup holders. That's incredible. You could almost call these cup holders maybe juice box holders, but there's a little cup type of holder there too, so if you want to count that, you're probably at 8 now. Looking at the middle, you have a couple of power outlets. So you have 2 USB outlets at the back here, and you also have the house outlet, so you can plug in another toaster or microwave into your truck if you ever wanted to. We have that in my truck as well. We also have the vents. Now the vents shape have also changed here at the back. Plus, with the Lariat, you have heated rear seats. That is amazing. So you got buttons right over here to heat up your back seats. You also have the cigarette type of charger at the back here. I have that one as well. That pretty much sums up the back. I'm saving the best for last, and that is the front. That has fully changed. Let's take a look. All right, so we are at the most amazing part of any vehicle, but especially this one over here, the front. Now I'm going to start off with the top. There's going to be a lot to talk about here. It's gorgeous. Okay, so just sitting in the truck with the panel roof is an experience on its own. I mean, damn, I wish my truck had a panel roof. Yeah, just give me a second. I just need to get over this. I need to let this sink in. I wish this was my truck. I honestly do wish. So yeah, beautiful panel roof. Okay, at the top here, they have a garage door opener that you can program on the visor. Okay, you got your regular mirror. These mirrors have lights. Now I gotta double check with my 2018 if mine have lights or is it just something with the Lariat package, but they have lights in there. It's good, it's nice. At the top middle area over here, you got your sunglass area. It's a whole new design over here, okay? Like this is all changed. The whole layout, the trim, all that stuff. There's the button for the back window. Okay, your lamps, okay, for the passenger driver side have changed as well. New design, new look. Okay, even the button cluster at the top here is all new. So you have like your lamps for the driver side, passenger side. Okay, you have lamps. If you hit one button, all the lamps in the truck turn on. Because this is a panel roof, so the panoramic roof also has like the shade that will roll back and forth over here, so you have buttons for that. You can also tilt this so you can, you keep it open as a vent, or you can slide it all the way back. It's really, really nice. I mean, top of the line. Moving down, brand new dash. All right, so again, because this is a Lariat, you have two-tone. It's black with a brown with a bit of like stainless steel. The glove box right over here, and I believe if you push this button right over here, this opens up the glove box. Okay, that's pretty neat. It's quite small. All right, you can't even really fit your full hand in here, but it's not the full glove box. Okay, this is just for the things you need on the go. Like I would probably put my shades in here, maybe a charger for your cell phone, probably your documentation like your pink slip, your insurance, right, ownership, stuff like that. Things that you need quick on the fly, I would leave up there. Just close that with your hands. All right, and then right down here you have the other part of your glove box. Not that big, but because you're sharing it now, it's ample space. Looking over to the side here, you have cigarette lighter type of output, which I mean my truck also has, as well as another output. So this truck has a total of 3 house outlets, 3 of them. One in the flatbed, one in the back seat area, and one in the front here. So you can hook up a lot of machinery, home appliances, as I always make that joke. All right, it's really nice. You got this 12-inch screen here, which I'm going to show you full details of. You have your auto start, auto shut off button over here, so when you do hit a traffic light, if you don't want this truck to shut off constantly, you can hit that. You got a camera button, which is quite interesting. We'll play around with that. You got your 4 ways, and you got your traction off. On the side over here, you got your trailer assist knob, and then you have your 2 high, 4 high, 4A, and 4 low buttons. Now the 4A is different. I don't have the 4A button in mind. they've taken out the drive mode switch from the gear shifter, and they've put it now in the middle dial over here. So when you turn the dial, you can change this from rain, slip conditions to sport mode to regular mode. Right in here, you also have another compartment that was actually left open, which is really nice. And in here, you can put some extra storage, extra stuff. So there's ample storage, okay? You can stick stuff in here. You can actually stick your cell phone in here. There's a little cell phone holder in here. You have 2 USB ports as well in here. 2 more cup holders here in the middle. And you got the shifter. Now this shifter is amazing. Look at this, guys. Did you just see what happened here? So this folds down to let the middle console here, lets it flip out to act like a table. So you can use it as a work table over here. Really nice feature. In this one you have heated seats as well as vented seats. It seems like they've removed the CD player now. I had one in my 2018. It was kind of hidden and tucked away, but they have actually removed that. Now moving to the driver's side, the steering wheel and all that, you have your volume control, you have your Bluetooth control here, and on this side over here you have some more volume control, you have your cruise control, as well as an adaptive cruise control where you can adjust the distance from the vehicle in front of you. So if a vehicle slows down in front of you, your truck will slow down as well and keep its distance and all that stuff. So fully loaded. You have your memory for your seats. So because it is the top of the line, you have different settings for your seats. You can set different settings per button. There's 3 buttons that you can tap into to program your seats for your liking. It looks really nice. It's like a two-tone everywhere. So two-tone as well as on the armrest here in the middle, as well as the doors. Your upgraded speakers. I'm super excited to test drive this vehicle out and see how it handles, how it does. It's really nice to feel the warm steering wheel as well as the heated seats. It's a brand new vehicle, so everything kicks in really fast and quickly here. The new mirror design actually is really nice. You know, I'm actually liking it. There aren't any blind spot mirrors built into this one. I don't see any. It does have a blind spot sensor, so it lets you know if there's a vehicle in your blind spot. So that's pretty good. I'm driving on sport mode. I'm not going to go too fast because we got the camera on a gimbal, and if I do accelerate quickly, what's going to happen is things are going to fly around and you guys are going to feel some motion sickness. But man, oh man, this is gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I love the display on the dash here. All digital, okay? Nothing is like an actual physical cluster. It's just a digital screen here with your RPM, your speedometer, you know, oil temperature and oil levels and all that coolant and all that good stuff. So I gotta tell you, if you guys aren't Ford F-150 owners, I gotta say one thing, that they've made it super easy to drive. Super easy. You don't feel intimidated that you're driving a pickup truck. The first time I actually stepped foot into a Ford F-150, I loved it. Honestly speaking, it feels like you're driving a minivan. It's really easy. I can't believe I'm driving a 2021 Ford F-150. I honestly can't believe it. Especially a Lariat as well. This is a brand new cockpit, brand new design, and it's a different drive. Definitely a different drive. I'm trying to think of everything I can tell you about it as I drive it, but if you have any questions, do comment below and let me know. They've still maintained the 10-speed automatic transmission. I thought things may have changed a bit with that, but I mean 10-speed is fantastic for automatic. My 2018 is a 10-speed auto as well, and it's really good on gas. Really economical. I love the interior. I love the interior. Like if I can take this interior and put it into my truck, I'll do it in a heartbeat. I love the whole panel roof. Like if you guys have the extra coin to spend to upgrade or to get a panoramic roof, do it. I mean, it's amazing. I want you guys to look at this backup as I'm backing up. I want you to look at this. This is amazing. I would like to thank my father that was the camera operator here today. He did a fantastic job bearing this cold. I couldn't have done it without him, honestly speaking. So I really appreciate it.
Anytime.
Fantastic. All right, Arkadi, I want to thank you so much for letting us take a walk around of this truck here today. I want to thank Markville Ford as well for giving us this opportunity. And I want to let you guys know, if you guys are in the GTA, in the Ontario region, that you guys can check out this dealership here, Markville Ford, and come to see Arkadi over here. I'm gonna let him speak out his details. I'm gonna also include it below the video as well, just in case you didn't catch it over here. But yeah, let them know how they can get in touch with you and if there are any other deals that they can take use of today.
Sure. Thank you. Yes, thank you for coming in today. It's a pleasure having you.
For sure.
Guys, so my name is Arkadi. You can email me at Arkadi, A-R-K-A-D-I, at markvilleford.com. We're going to have the details in the description. You can give me a call. My phone number is 905-474-1350, extension 274.
Well, thank you so much.
No problem.
I really appreciate it. And guys, if you have any questions, you can hit them up. I'm going to have the description below. And I'll end here. So there is going to be a little pop-up that's going to arrive at the bottom of the screen. It says subscribe. So please do support this channel and tap, click, smash that subscribe button. I would highly appreciate it. And until next time, we'll catch you guys soon. Take care.